So now you've created your Google Classroom, and you see that in Google Classroom there's 3 different sections within the class: Stream, Classwork, and People. Stream is the communication hub. This is where you can post comments to your students and be able to communicate with them, as well as your students are able to communicate with each other in the class. Classwork is where you're able to post assignments and questions for your students and provide material that's relevant to your class. Students are able to access all of their work and classwork. People is where you're able to see all of the students in your class and for students to be able to be invited. You can also invite teachers. You can click on the Invite Students section and you can type in the email if you know, and that student will be prompted in an email or when they join Classroom to join your class. Or you can give them the code and they could join your class. In the Google settings, you're able to make edits to the title and section of your class, and there's also general information about your classroom, such as the class code, stream, teachers being able to view deleted items, and turning on or off the Guardian summaries. Everything is connected in your Google G Suite account. Your classroom, your docs, your slides, your calendar, everything that comes with it is able to be saved in Google Drive. When you created your classroom, a new classroom was created in Google Drive. When you're using Google Drive, it's best to not make any changes to your classroom within this section. If you're going to be making any changes to your classroom, just stay in Google Class. You can do that by going to your Google Apps and clicking on Classroom. Everything that you do in Google Classroom will be saved to your Google Drive. If you were to look at the About section, this shows your class code. You can display it for your students to be easily able to join your class. You can even make it full screen. You can also change the theme of your class. You can click on any of the images that were provided by Google, or you can always upload your own. If you're ever needing any help in Google Classroom, you can always click on this helpful question mark button. This will help you with any questions that you might have, and you can always go ahead and use that on any of the pages that can help you. And lastly, please remember to sign out of your Google account when you're finished using. All right, have fun exploring Google Classroom. Thanks for watching.